Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen lip mask. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your lips to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Next, gently exfoliate your lips to create a smooth, clean surface. This step helps the mask's beneficial ingredients penetrate more effectively. Always ensure your hands are clean before touching the mask for hygienic application. Once your lips are prepared, carefully take the collagen lip mask out of its packaging. Unfold it gently and position it directly over your lips. Make sure the mask covers your entire lip area for maximum benefit. Gently press down and smooth out any small air bubbles to ensure the mask adheres perfectly to your skin, allowing for optimal ingredient absorption. Now that the mask is applied, allow it to work its magic for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. This duration is ideal for the collagen and other nourishing ingredients to deeply penetrate your lip tissue. Use this time to relax and unwind. When the time is up, gently peel off the mask, starting from one corner to reveal your refreshed lips. After removing the mask, you might notice some serum remaining on your lips. Gently pat this into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Do not rinse it off. For an extra boost of hydration, follow up with your favorite nourishing lip balm. For optimal, long-lasting results, incorporate a collagen lip mask into your routine 2 to 3 times per week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.